If you are a data engineer and looking for the change, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to discuss about the SQL interview question which might get asked in your upcoming interview. So like what we have an employee table, and in this table we have to assign a salary bonus, or like we have to increase the salary. Okay, so like to increase the salary, what we have to do, we have to update the table. So as a moment we are announcing a bonus, so what will happen, we have to announce only the bonus, like 2% of the salary bonus. So according to the salary slab we will announce the bonus. So if any employee who is earning 15,000 or more than that, then he is eligible for 2% bonus. If anyone is earning like above 10,000, below 15,000, then he will be eligible for 5% bonus. And anyone who is earning below 10,000, he will be eligible for 10% bonus. So how we will calculate that? So first of all, there is a little bit trick which everyone used to like confuse over here. I'll show you. So what we will do, case when salary. So we have to calculate the salary. So salary bracket. So salary is just, let us do this. So we can see, right, we are getting the bonus amount, but it's not the total salary credited to that. So for total salary credited, right, this will become the bonus for this month, but total salary for that month will become salary plus the bonus, then that will become the total salary. So for that, like what we have to do, we have to use over here one more function, salary plus that. If anyone will ask total salary or increase in salary, then you have to do the plus, and if anyone will ask just the bonus amount, then you have to just calculate accordingly.